Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can resize your files, your JPEG files in Photoshop. You can have a poster designed or any design, but when you export it, you see that it is big. So we are going to use this as our sample. This is Collins. I'm actually designing cards that we are going to place on the website for child sponsorship. So now, when you see this this image right here, this image is 5.4 MBs. Now, when you're designing a website, it is very, very, very vital for you to make sure that the files that you are uploading on your website are small, so that there is a better user experience. When you upload bigger files, the website slows down. The speed of the website slows down. So you have to upload very, very, very light sized images for it to be faster, and this will also improve your search engine optimization rankings. So today I'm going to teach you how you can optimize your JPEG pictures in Photoshop. So let's get to it. Now, this is the card basically that was 5.4 MBs. Now I want us to resize it to a smaller size. So most people just go here on file and say save as then they come and say, okay, this is Collins, and they click save. They try to, they replace it because it is there. Now you can see it is 6.1 MBs. Yes, 6.1. So they try to move around and do, basically they even don't know what they are doing. So you find that even if you move it to the lowest, it still remains big. And now what do? So today I'm going to show you how professional graphic designers save their files. So now this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to file, and then you go to export, and you go to save for web. Click there. Now, it is going to come here on original, but select this select two up, and then try to fit in the view. You fit in like that. So this is the original size, and this is the size that we want to resize. Yes. So basically what you do, down here you can see that the original size is this, but I don't think this is really exact. It is not the exact file size, but what I want you to drive your attention is on this one, the one that we are trying to size down. So this is 1.271 MBs. So now what you do, I basically usually go to the sizing here. So here are the presets. Here is the preset. You can save the preset if you want. You can change and alter all the quality just around here. So what you do, you go to here on maximum. I usually put it on high, and you see it has reduced it. We are now on 487.9K. Yes, that is very good. And now here, most people go for optimize, but I like going for progressive. So now down here you can select the meta, if it has any copyright information, or the meta. Every image that you take, let us say you've imported it from a camera, it comes with what they call metadata, and metadata also takes some space. So I usually select this and put it to none. So basically this image doesn't have any metadata, so that's why it is not changing the size at all. Now I go down now to image size. Now here is the part that you have to play with. So you tweak this part. You try to change the percentage. I'm going to use 50%, and then I click enter. So when I click enter, you see our image has gone to 189.4 kilobytes. Now I want to fit it in the view. So actually you see that you have compressed your image, but it has not lost that so much quality. Your image remains in the same quality, and it can be usable. So this size is fine, to me it is fine to upload, to use it on our website. So what I do, I normally don't click save, I just click on preview, so it opens the image on my browser. So this is the image itself. So now I just left click on it and say save image, and I go and look for Collins where he is, and then I save it. Ta-da, voila, finished. And that is it. So when you go and check this image right here, it is now actually 194 KB. I hope this video has been really important to you and has helped you learn. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Be blessed. Ciao.